Hi guys, today we'll be reviewing the K4 2017 LG smartphone. This smartphone retails for about $150 on Amazon. I picked it up at Walmart for about $200, but you can definitely get it for around $100 if you search, if you browse the internet. Secondhand, this phone sells for about $50, it's really cheap. So if you're on a budget and you just need a quick phone, the K4 is the way to go. Alright, the packaging, it looks really good. We have a matte black case with a K4 logo printed on the front, as you can see. So, looking at the side of the phone, it's powered by Snapdragon. I'm not sure what version of Snapdragon it's powered by yet, but I'll find out, let you guys know. So on the outside of the box, there's not really a lot. It's really simple. I say it's really simple. So let's take a look inside. All right. So I really like the design of this box. I really like how the product is placed. I always like when they make like a cover, so you don't have to cut anything to get to your phone, or so you don't risk damaging your phone. And it's really sleek, it's really nice. As soon as you open the box, you see the phone's on top. It's in this kind of protective plasticky thing. I'm just gonna put this to the side. So because I bought this at Walmart on a plan, I get LTE multi SIM card. You guys don't have to worry about that, but as I said, if you're in school, you don't have a phone, you want to pick up a cheap phone, a cheap smartphone, this is really good. This is the best you're gonna get for that price. All right, go ahead, put this inside the box. So, moving along, it's printed in French and English. So, yep, if you speak any other languages other than French and English, you're gonna have a hard time reading this, but no one really reads the instruction manuals anyways. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss it off to the side. So moving on, we have a battery. It's surprising that they don't put the battery inside the phone. It's not built in, because nowadays a lot of phones have the batteries built in. So I think this is really awesome. If you damage your battery or something happens, you could just replace it really easily. Boom. So moving on, we have a charging cable. And I'm not a big fan of these charging cables because I have had experience with cheap charging cables in the past, and they can damage some of your more high-end products. If you pick up a phone like this, I would recommend buying another charger and charging it with that, because these chargers are really unreliable and they break within the first 4 to 5 months. Next, we have the charging brick. It's standard charging brick. It looks really cheap. It could be a lot better, but I guess for the price range, this is what you're gonna get. Toss it off to the side. All right, now for the part that you all have been waiting for, the actual phone. Just gonna be careful pulling this out of this bag here. And looking at the phone, it looks really nice. It looks really sleek. It has a really nice modern smartphone look. If someone came up to me and told me this was $150, I would not believe them, because this phone looks really nice for the price range. One more thing, if you're a person who likes to use dual SIM cards, this smartphone does not support dual SIM cards. It only has one SIM card slot. So say you're playing games, you dropped your phone in some water, don't worry. As long as you bought this phone within 1 year, you have a 1 year manufacturer's warranty, so you can send it back and get a brand new phone. So thank you guys for watching my review of the LG K4 smartphone. Hope you guys learned something, and peace.